Hey, hey. Bye, bye, bye. I love me some NSYNC, but I love the fact that we have the Bye Bye PMI program here at Cross Country Mortgage, and I wanted to make sure you knew about it and make sure your clients know about it too. So normally when we have less than 20% down, we'll have mortgage insurance, which is a cost. Exclusively at Cross Country Mortgage, we have the Bye 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 PMI program, and it is with 15% down. You can have no mortgage insurance, and there's no add-ons to the rate. So make sure that you're aware of it. Talk about it. Make sure that your clients that might be in that spot of maybe we got 15% down, but we don't have quite 20%. Let them know that this product is available to them, and I'm happy to help them, and I'm happy to help you. If you need a flyer or anything, just let me know. Look forward to catching up with you soon. Take care. Bye, bye, bye.